and happy Halloween! So today's video is going to be more like a vlogging type behind the scenes, I guess, video. I'm going to try and do my makeup. This is my first time trying it, so let's just get into it. So first I'm just going to just do my makeup the normal way. Just putting on some primer. I tried to wake up at 6 this morning to do this because I know that this is going to be a little difficult for me or take a little longer than normal. And since Connor's not home, I have to be the one to take care of Mason in the morning. So yeah, it's now like my normal time to wake up. I slept a little longer than I should have. On, and then I'm just going to work on my eyes, and I'm basing it off of this Pinterest look here, and I'm just going to, I think I'm just going to do like brown for the eyes, and maybe like a little gold to make it pop out a little bit, but it doesn't look like her eyes, it just looks very dark around her eyes, so
strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Now for the hair. This one I'm gonna have to zoom out of though. I said zoom out. Okay. So this part is like, well, this is like third day hair, I think. I'm gonna try and do buns. So first, I'm just gonna take some dry shampoo, even though it doesn't matter because my hair just looks the way it does. So take that, and I think like because I've done buns before, and it definitely works better on like second or third day hair as opposed to like when you wash your hair and that's it. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started on this, and I'm just going to use scissors and part the middle. It's not gonna work because my hair was just thrown up. So let's try and brush it out a little bit. And go all the way to the back, which probably isn't even in the back because I can never get it even in the back. But it is what it is. I'm kind of running out of time, so I kind of just have to like wing it. Okay, so what I usually do is put up one side. Here. I like to keep the side here loose. And I will take I also really like them to be simple. And so I like to use these little, you know what you used to use when you were little? I use these. And I just put it in pigtails for now. I'll do both sides. Which for some reason the left side seems to be thicker than the other side, so looks like I did not do a good job in the back. Okay. I'll just put this like that, like fall outfit. I have this vest that I actually got from Wish back in the day. This is my makeup, which I don't think you can tell because I have way too much light in here. So there's the makeup look, and then I just put these antlers on, which I talked about earlier and how they were Christmassy, but it'll do. And then my ears are here, and so yeah, I just have this black long sleeve shirt on. I have black leggings on, and then I have these for boots. the little heel boots that I got from Target. So yeah, that's my outfit. Okay, Halloween is now over in my book. I'm going to be taking off this look so that I can take Mason on a WALK. And I don't want to look like this while taking him on one because I already look like I'm in high school, and so I don't want them to mistake me for being a trick-or-treater. So, what, baby? Hi. I love you. I love you. I love you, even though you want to bite me. I love you. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss. No biting. I think he thinks I'm a dog. I really do. He keeps like trying to bite me. So, with that being said, let's move this and say goodbye to the reindeer, as everyone at work thinks that I am because of my red antlers. All right. Does anybody else get satisfaction from taking off fake eyelashes? Like, just feels so good. We're back from the run. My hair's still a mess. Probably just gonna throw it up. And so yeah, you've seen my nighttime routine, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get on with that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little different. I said it was gonna be a vlog. There's not much for me to vlog about now because I'm just gonna drink my water, have a protein shake, wash some more of my face, shower, whatever, and then just go to bed. There's not really much else to talk about. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and do all that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because it's free, and comment below any video requests since now YouTuber is done. I'm all out of ideas, but I do want to continue doing videos, at least like, I'm not every day, but at least like 3 or 4 videos a week. So yeah, Mason's looking at himself in the mirror. I don't know if you can see.